Hey everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. I've missed you guys. Happy early Thanksgiving. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my garden turkey meatball soup. I'm going to show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. In this recipe you can use any vegetables that you want, but I did use a bag of baby carrots. I did use 3 zucchini, a red and green bell pepper, 6 red potatoes. I did use 8 ounces of baby bella mushroom and a stalk of celery, and of course meatballs. So we are going to start off by chopping and washing our vegetables. I'm not sure if you guys seen this product before, but I've been using it since the summer. It's really good. I use it to wash my fruits and vegetables. If you guys haven't tried it, I think you guys should give it a try. You might like it. But first I'm just going to start off by cutting my red potatoes into big chunks, taking the butt off and some of the excess skin, and then I do the same thing with my zucchini. I'm just going to chop that up. Now with my celery, I do remove the top and then I remove some of the white part at the bottom. And then I just go in and wash my mushroom because they are already sliced. Along with my carrots, just open them and wash them. Now you can make your bell peppers as thick as you want, or you can make them as small as you want. I did chop them up to about like a medium size because this is a very chunky soup. I just wanted to be able to taste everything in one bite, you know? So into my large stock pot, I did add all of my vegetables. And I did use about more than half of this gallon of water. Remember, you have to leave room for your meatballs, so I just covered it, just slightly covered my vegetables. We're gonna give that a quick stir, and we are going to add our seasonings. Okay, for this I did add 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and then I did add a bay leaf. For this large amount I did use 2. You can use 1 to 2, it's your preference. And of course I'm just adding in my bell peppers and a tablespoon of minced garlic and half a teaspoon of minced ginger. Then I go in with a tablespoon of seasoned salt, two tablespoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of lemon pepper. Now you just want to make sure you get all your seasoning inside of your soup and just give that a good toss. And believe it or not, you guys, I did not add any spice to this soup. It doesn't need it, it's really good. So I did add in half a cup of soy sauce as well. Now I'm just going to let this come up to a boil, and that's going to take about 30 minutes. And in the meantime, we are going to get started on making our meatballs. Now to my ground turkey, I did add 1 egg, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of seasoned salt, I did add half a teaspoon of black pepper, and about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now with very clean hands, we are going to mix our seasonings with our turkey. Make sure that is fully combined together. Now you can add breadcrumbs to this mixture if you would like. I would say about half a cup. But again, I like my meatballs a little airy and fluffy. That's why I do not add breadcrumbs to my meatball mixture. Once formed, place them inside the refrigerator for about 15 minutes so they can hold their shape. So my soup has been cooking for about 40 minutes, and now I'm just going to place my meatballs in one by one. And then I'm just going to let that finish cooking for about another 40 minutes. Again, remember, the longer you let this sit, the more flavor comes out of your soup. I'm just going to serve this. It's great with bread, or again, just eat it like this by itself because it is very healthy. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.